Hey, it's Brenda, and you're watching The Brenda Show. Weiners! Bitches, and that's on period. Happy Pride My Gays. Joy to the world. Happy holidays, or should I say, happy holidays, because I got Weiners. Yes, I do. We are doing pigs in a blanket today, both for my non-vegans and my vegans, and let me show you what we need. We have mini pork franks right here, mini sausages. We also have this brand Field Roast. So we have apple maple flavored mini hot dogs right here. And over here we have Pillsbury crescent rolls. These are vegan. Look it up. We have everything but the damn bagel seasoning, an egg, some rosemary, and for our condiments, some ketchup and mustard. Let's begin. Y'all, don't I look like a damn PTA teacher or something, part of the Parent Teacher Association? So with that being said, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make pigs in a blanket. This is so easy. The kids can do it. It's great to bring to the school, family, when you're house hopping. So easy, but I like doing it because it's fresh. You can get them pre-bought at the store, but they're just nasty. But these are great, and also you can make them vegan for your loved ones. So we're gonna take our Pillsbury dough. We're gonna go ahead and karate chop this, quite literally. This is fun for the family, especially for the lazy ones that you're related to that just peel time for 2 hours watching the Christmas Chronicles on Thanksgiving that have nothing else to do. We're gonna open this up. It is already pre-cut into triangles. So I'm gonna go ahead and gently roll this with my 8 nails out. And I'm gonna go ahead and maximize this dough. I'm looking for one triangle. I do not have my glasses. Oh, there we go. All right, gonna set this aside for later. This is what we have. We're gonna divide this into 3. Starting for the tip end of the triangle, we're gonna go 1. And then we're gonna go 2. And y'all, we have 3 triangles right there. And what I like to do, this damn ring won't stay on. Okay. What I like to do is brush this with a little bit of Dijon mustard. If you don't like Dijon, don't do it. I love as much flavor as I can get. And this is vegan, by the way. So if you want this, it's so easy to do. The steps are the same. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take my little mini franks, cut them in half, because that's what's gonna make this like festive wreath look really, really fun for the holidays. And plus you can eat more. I mean, they are the same calories, don't tell them. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that, mush it in like so. And I'm just gonna go ahead and gently roll as best as you can. I remember growing up with them frozen hors d'oeuvres from the grocery store, Costco and all that. But the thing is that these are very inexpensive to make. They're fun, they're festive, and they will disappear in a blink of an eye. So to make my festive wreath, since it's the holidays and I'm an ally with Weiners today, I'm gonna go ahead and take my little serving dish for my condiments. I'm gonna pop it down right on a parchment paper that's greased. And I like to flip my baking dish over, so that way when I transfer it onto the plate, it slides off with me, and we don't have that little divot. If y'all are into interior design like me, call that a roll-in shower, okay? It's just flat. So we're gonna go ahead and take this, and this is gonna be our guide. What I wanna do is just layer my franks like so, right around, and you wanna make sure that they are kissing like men in West Hollywood, because we're what? Allies. We're just gonna make them kiss and touch, and I'm gonna work my way around, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. Happy Pride. All right, y'all, look at this fun, festive Pride wiener wreath. We got pigs in a blanket for shorter terms. I'm gonna take my egg wash. I've beaten 1 egg. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this on top so it gets nice and golden brown. And I just love these. Just reminds me of my days at the gay club in Orlando, watching all the drag shows to support my girls. Roxy Andrews, Angelica Sanchez, the new queens, the old queens. And it's just fun. It's just a fun dish to make, to spread love and joy and pride. So once that's already coated, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some everything but the damn bagel seasoning on top. Oh, really quick tip, this bowl is heat proof. If it's not, remove it or you're gonna get a mess, a holiday mess. But for my vegans, if you don't want to do an egg wash, obviously because you can't eat egg, that's what vegan is, you can go ahead and put cooking spray on this, brush it, sprinkle everything but the damn bagel seasoning on it, and pop both versions, the vegan and non-vegan version, at 350 for about 25 minutes. And I'll be right back to show you what it looks like after this break.
When I was young, I was told you have to sing to a different tune, but that was until I met my band. And here, we only have one command. you got to march to the beat of your own drum.
Serve, serve, turn up the bass. Serve, serve, turn up the bass. Work the bass, turn up the bass.
All right, y'all, so over the break, I garnished the whole wreath because the point of this festive wiener wreath is to be festive. So I've added some sprigs of fresh rosemary around, tucked in the ends, and with that bowl, because mine are heat proof, I flipped them on over after I popped them out the oven, and I filled one with ketchup and Dijon mustard. But before I dig in, let me show you my Harvest Spice Sparkly Something Something drink. Our Harvest Sparkle Cocktail. What's Brenda without alcohol? So what you're gonna need for this Harvest Sparkle cocktail is some orange juice, honey, whole cloves, ginger, and a cinnamon stick, bourbon, Prosecco, and to garnish, some rosemary. Let's begin. All right, y'all, we're gonna create a simple syrup. I'm gonna go ahead and take some orange juice, 2 squirts of honey. Come on now, you're gonna make me late. 1, and 2, a half a ginger, 2 whole cloves. This is that holiday flavor, and 1 cinnamon stick. I'm gonna put it to about medium-high heat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring it to a simmer, let it steep for about 10 minutes, and we'll finish the rest of the cocktail while I set my table up. All right, y'all, my simple syrup is done. I popped it in this little jar. I've chilled it. It's great to make a day ahead because it's just simple syrup. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 can of this into my cocktail shaker. 1, a little sweet. And then about 1.5 counts of bourbon. 1.5. I don't know how to count. Been a while since I've danced. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shake this all up. Sounds like Santa's sleigh bells have arrived. And so has my appetite. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into my beautiful glass. Top it off with Prosecco and some rosemary. Happy Hanukkah. I'm not chugging this time, bitches. Got me fucked up. This is great. So yummy, delicious. And let me get my wieners out. Not mine, the wieners that I made earlier, you nasties. Yes. Y'all know that song, Where Are You Christmas? Why Can't I Find You? Well, it's right here in my home for the holidays with these wieners. Look how delightful my wieners are, and my vegan wieners, and this beautiful Harvest sparkling cocktail. I want to try them all, but I think because of pride and because I have a vegan option, I have a member of the community and a world famous mukbanger. Please help me welcome, hey, it's Peter. Come on, how are you?
Brenda.
Let's go ahead and try it.
I'm
Let's
so
do that
excited.
like little family toast that they do in them Pinterest boards.
Okay.
Oh, these are a little rough.
Cheers.
Touch mine. We have to look aesthetic. Happy Pride and happy holidays.
Wow.
It's
Impressive.
All right, cheers to us. Try
Cheers.
it. Let me know what you think.
I don't drink.
Cut that out. Well, Peter, thank you so much. Cheers. Leave that here for my outro. Now get. If y'all make these at home, be sure to tag PatrickStarrr on social media. Don't forget, when life gives you mess, come to BS the Brenda Show. And don't forget, live, laugh. Is that a fucking hair? God damn it. And remember, live, laugh, loads. Happy Pride, my gays.